Tired of hitting daily image limits? Are you tired of creating new email accounts every time you hit the daily image generation limits on AI websites? In this video, I'll show you how to create unlimited, high-quality images for free using the Flux 1.1 model. If you've struggled with daily limits or paying for image generators, this solution is perfect for you. AI-generated images are essential for creating engaging content, especially if you run or want to start a faceless YouTube channel. The best AI image generators, like Midjourney, Ideogram, and Flux, either cost money or have daily limits, making them hard to use freely. After much research, I discovered Mistral AI, a tool that uses the Flux model to generate unlimited high-quality images for free. It works like a chatbot, similar to ChatGPT, but more interactive, since it's free as a whole. Now quickly sign up with your preferred email service. Now we need to give it a prompt. I'll use this one, a cat sitting on the windowsill. Give it a few seconds to load, and it will create the image. As you can see, the result looks pretty good. The chatbot captures the details well, but I think it could be even better. So you can simply click this button to regenerate the image. I'm going to try again from a different angle. And this looks just perfect. Now simply click the download icon and the image will be saved to your device. Let's try another one. This time I'll use the prompt, a steaming cup of coffee on a rustic wooden table, and generate. And here's our image, just as we prompted. You can just see how realistic this looks. Now let's ask it to create an image prompt, which we'll use to generate an image. First, click on the plus icon to open a new chat. Make sure none of the options here are selected. Then I'll ask it to generate an image prompt. Once we have the prompt, we'll use it to create the image. Now we'll copy this exact prompt and paste here. After pasting it, enable the image generation feature by clicking on it. And now generate the image. Now that it's done generating, you can see how beautiful the city looks. It turned out exactly as we asked in the prompt. I've found that simpler prompts often give better results, so try to keep your prompts simple. If you're using AI to generate prompts, make sure to directly ask the AI to make it simple. Let's try one more image. This time I'm going to give it this prompt, cinematic scene of the prehistoric times. You can see how it looks, almost like a scene from a cinematic movie. Trust me, no other completely free AI tool comes close to this right now. Let's try one last image. This time, I'll use the prompt, selfie, low quality, Snapchat, and hit generate. Just look at this, it almost looks scary. It looks like a real selfie. If someone sent this to you, would you believe it? Now, the only cons I've seen from using this image generator is that you cannot generate celebrities in any of your images. For example, if you want to generate a celebrity, you will get an error like this. And I don't really blame the devs. Celebrity issues, in one way or another, can have significant consequences. The final limitation I've noticed is that you can only generate images in one dimension. But don't worry, because I will show you how to expand the images for free. Simply go to fireflyadobe.com, link in the description, sign up using a temp mail or log in if you already have an account. Scroll down and click on Generative Fill. Next, upload your image and click on Expand. You can either select a preset aspect ratio from the options or adjust it manually. For this example, I'll choose 16:9 and click Generate. Let it work its magic, and as you can see, the image has been expanded perfectly, and it looks okay. It has also created different variations, so you can choose the one you like, or you can always regenerate. Now we can easily download the image by clicking the download button. The image looks great, but as you can see, there's a watermark. To remove it, click the link in the description, which will take you to a site where you can easily remove the watermark for free. Simply click Upload Image, and make sure to turn on the Remove Logo option. Wait for it to process, and then you can download the watermark-free image. Now, you can also turn the image directly into a video. Let me show you how it's done. First, click on the link in the description. We'll be using Kling AI to easily transform the image into a video. Quickly sign up for their service and click on the section labeled AI Videos. If you want something specific to happen in your image, you can add a prompt. Otherwise, simply select your image and click Generate. The AI will automatically create a video that fits perfectly. And it's done generating, but as before, this has a watermark, which we'll remove right now. So let's download the video first, and then we'd go to this website, which I'll leave the link to in the description. We'd need an account to use the site, so let's sign up using a temp mail. Also leave a link to the temp mail I use in the description as well. And now let's upload our video. We can drag the slider here to increase the size of the brush. Now we highlight the text we want to remove in the video and click Remove Objects Now and wait for it to process. Now we download and let's view our results. As you can see, this looks considerably better. This is how you can animate a video from an image without any watermarks. And that's a wrap. If you've made it this far, let me know in the comments what you'd create using these tools. I'd love to hear your ideas. Also, consider liking and subscribing if you found the video helpful. I truly appreciate each and every one of you who watched. Thanks for watching, and keep grinding.